Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these shorts, like athletic shorts. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, that was a nice little Ziploc bag there. And those are super lightweight. They have these reflective patches here on the sides. Now if you're running or whatever, cars going by, if you're at night, this is going to be able to reflect nicely and they're going to be able to see that. I wonder if the light's off. If any kind of light at all is going to catch on that, you should be able to see pretty good. So that's cool. Really stretchy elastic band there. The pockets have zippers, nice deep pockets it looks like, and a drawstring here. Let's go ahead and try these on and we'll check it out here, shall we? Okay guys, so super like stretchy and I like the decent length here. They got these zipper pockets which are actually really good sized. Put my cell phone in there and lock it up, and then I put my Bluetooth headphones on the other side. Lots of room for these actually, and super flexible, no problem. It actually feels like super lightweight, like there's like nothing. It's like some clothes are like thicker, like material, like super thick. These are like just really thin. It almost feels like just like almost nothing. So it's pretty cool. I like how deep the pockets are. I mean, I can just put like my whole hand in there and there's like no problem. So that's kind of cool. And just hold your whole cell phone and everything. So you wanted to go for a jog or whatever. Plenty of room in your pockets. And also these nice reflective things on the side is super handy. Got the logo there. That's cool. And then the drawstrings are like super long. You can tie a nice like knot there. But yeah, you'll run into something in these. I've got my microphone in the back, so kind of messing up that, but pretty cool shorts there. Yeah, so like I said, like super comfortable. Like I feel like I'm almost like not really wearing anything. You can't even feel that they're on there really. It's super lightweight, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a wonderful day out there, and I will see you next time.